PowerShell is an extended version of the command prompt, CMD. Here's an example of the difference. As you can see, I was able to get info about the folder from CMD with a short and simple command. While PowerShell required more commands to display info about the folder, it ended up giving me more information than CMD. Open the search bar and search for PowerShell. You should have 4 PowerShell programs being available. The Windows PowerShell is the one that looks like CMD, but as I just showed, it's a bit more advanced. The Windows PowerShell ISE is used for scripts, which is multiple lines of commands being executed at the same time or in a certain order. The x86 versions is the 32-bit version, which you should only pick if you're running an old system like a 2008 server. Now I will be showing you one of the many things you can do with PowerShell ISE. In this instance, we'll be making a backup and add in a log process. We'll keep PowerShell minimized for now and return to it in a bit. First, we'll create a folder which will be my source. I'll just add a note so we have something to back up. Then we're gonna add a folder for the backup, which we'll keep empty for now. Here's an example of a script I've made with PowerShell. This script is for making a backup and it's pretty simple. I will leave the script in the description if you want to copy and use it for yourself. Once we have the script ready, simply run it and we can go and check if it worked. As you can see, the node from backup 1 has been copied to backup 2 along with the backup log. If you'd like to have this progress automized, you can use Task Scheduler to set up a timed backup in a basic task. I've already covered how to create a basic task in another tutorial, so I'll just quickly run through this. But the process is identical to the other video, only a different program. PowerShell is also able to read CSV files. Here I have an example from Excel. Let's pretend this list is a lot longer and I wanted to import this to PowerShell fast. Then with a command in PowerShell we can import the file, but in this example I'll just have it write it out in a similar way as the Excel sheet. There are a lot of things you can do with PowerShell. This is just a few examples. Good luck!